Cubic zirconia, often called CZ, is a happy surprise in jewelry design. When creating refined designs, CZs add glamour and really stand up as a great alternative to spendy high-end stones. Hi, I'm Patty. I'm a jewelry designer here at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Studio. And today, I'm going to show you how cubic zirconia can be an elegant, wonderful addition to your jewelry designs.
Get our email newsletter for beading news, sale announcements, new product announcements, and more. Link is in the description below.
Let's look at some designs that we have made with CZ here at Fire Mountain. So first, I have this really cute earring, really beautiful. It's a heart shape with this beautiful teal color, and it's got a gold-filled setting. The settings and the stones are all available at Fire Mountain. And then I've got this really cute, also a heart, in a tanzanite alternative here, a little bit smaller with a sterling silver setting. Now, as you can imagine, CZs come in a really nice array of colors, and they are wonderful alternatives to birthstones in jewelry. We all love that personalized birthstone jewelry. So let me show you some birthstone alternatives. If we look at these closely, you can see that we have clear, which would be for diamond in April. We have aquamarine, which would be March. We have ruby, that would be July. Sapphire would be September. Emerald would be May. Citrine would be November. And we've got these wonderful kind of aura-coated clears, which would be wonderful also for April, as that kind of diamond alternative. They come in these wonderful shapes and sizes. We've got rounds, we've got ovals, hearts, we've got marquees. There's just no end to what you can do with CZs and the looks that you can get. We've even got these cute pear shapes. Now, in addition to the loose stones that you can set in a setting, CZs also come preset in findings that you can use in your jewelry as well that really add bling and dimension and fun to your jewelry. CZs are just so much fun to design with. A CZ stone is created by adding heat to zirconium silicate. They also have a great level of hardness, a Mohs level 8, which means that they're durable and you can use them with confidence. Simply clean your CZs with a soft brush and hot water. Or you can use your sonic jewelry cleaner, provided that the other materials in your piece allow for that. I hope you've enjoyed learning about using dazzling CZs in jewelry design. If you make your own CZ jewelry or add it to your sales line, be sure to tag us. We would love to see what you get up to. Now be sure to like, share, subscribe, and sign up for our email newsletter. Links to that and to the materials you've seen here today will be in the description box below. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.